Hello everyone, good morning. So today is Saturday and the weather here is very good. There is sunlight and for now I'm going to check here. Ayan, so ito yung maliit na sapa dito sa amin. Ayan. There you go. So the water is quite stagnant. It is not flowing. Ayan. There's a lot of leaves here. So here, as we can see, the water is flowing right up to there. And there are some leaves here. I think it's not gabi. So this is the gabi leaves. This one it's not gabi. I don't know if what is this. So we're going to walk farther. So itong sapa na maliit is mahaba siya from here up to there. Ayan. I like the weather today because it's sunny. Ayan. So as you can see, it's so hot. It's because summer is fast approaching here in Philippines. So there you can see there's a lot of mango trees at my back. Ayan. From here, we can see some mango trees there, as you can see. Ayan, pero wala pa siyang bunga. Ayan. And here, may sapa din. Ayan. So the water is flowing. Very nice. Look at that, guys. The weather, the ambience is very, very nice here. There you go. I stop here because it's very sweat. Ayan. Sobrang pinagpapawisan ako dahil sa sobrang init. And let's continue walking. Oh wow, look at that. I see a goat here. Hello. Little one. Ayan. Hello. Wow, the goat is very cute. Ayan. Hello. So, I don't know if who is the owner of this goat. Here. Hello. Oh my god. It's so cute. So I'm walking here and I wear slippers. So now we are near to another sort of sapa here. So ayan, nandito na tayo sa sapa. Ayan. So ito yung sumpay sa sapa from there up to here. Ayan. So sobrang niya. Sobrang haba talaga ng sapa.